My name is Amanda Damon, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant in Augusta, Maine. For this video, we're going to take a look at unboxing your students' video-led curriculum. The first thing that you're going to want to do when you get your curriculum in the mail is open it up. I know it can be tempting to set it aside and wait until summer's over and you're ready to deal with it, but you really want to go through it and just make sure that you have all of the items that you've ordered. Keep in mind that your curriculum may come in separate shipments through multiple boxes. So if you only receive one box, don't be worried. You can always go online to bjupresshomeschool.com, log into your account, and you can check the status of your order to see what items have shipped. When you open your box, you will find a packing slip. What you're going to want to do is go through and check off each of the items that you have in your box against your packing slip. It is possible that you may have some back-ordered items, and those will show on your slip as well. If you do find something that is not included in your shipments and it's not listed as back-ordered, make sure you contact your consultant as soon as possible so she can help resolve the issue for you. This is one of the reasons that it's important to go through your boxes as soon as you get them, even if you're not ready to start organizing and getting into all of that, just to make sure that you have the items that you're supposed to, and so any issues can get resolved in a timely manner. When you order an online video course, you will receive everything that your student needs in order to complete the course. For example, I've ordered Math 4 for my daughter. I have received the Student Manipulatives packet, student handouts, the student work text, and the assessments. You'll notice that I did not have a teacher's edition for this course. When you order a video course, teacher's editions are not sent as a physical book. They are available to you through the Homeschool Hub as a digital copy. If you wish to have a paper copy, a physical copy of that book, you can talk with your consultant about ordering one and whatever discounts might be available to you. Along with the digital teacher's edition, you also will have answer keys for your students' assessments, and you will also have the answer key for the work text, which is found inside of the teacher's edition. If this is your first year using video courses, you'll want to go ahead and create an account on the homeschoolhub.com. Once you've created a username and password, you can create a profile for yourself as well as your students. Then you'll be able to add in the video courses for each student. There are many helpful videos on the Hub to help you with doing this, or you can also contact your consultant. When you place an order for a video course, you will receive access to that course as soon as your order processes through BJU Press. This means you will be able to add the courses into the Homeschool Hub before you receive your books in the mail. When you add each video course in, you will notice at the bottom in red the expiration date of your lease. So just keep that in mind as you go through your school year. Something else I recommend doing is once you get your students' courses added into the Hub is to go through the course resources for each one. Besides having the answer keys and the digital teachers editions, there's many other resources that are available to you. Let's talk about some organization tips. You will notice in your work text that many of the books have perforated pages. This makes things really easy for taking those out to add into a 3-ring binder. That's how I like to do it for my kids. It makes things easy if they want to work on the couch or take school on the go. They don't need to take the whole book with them, just the pages that they're going to need. One of the other things that I also really love is that BJU Press has started putting the holes in the 3 hole punches into the side of the book, so that's one less step that we have to do when we are organizing everything. So this is the binder that I have used for my daughter, and it has the World Regions course in it, and I have her activity manual that's 3 hole punched, and I've just put that all in there. I take the cover off of the activity manual to put on the front, and I have the side with the course name as well, so when it's on the shelf, it can be easily taken off and she can find the course that she needs. Another feature that I like about these particular kind of binders is they have a pocket in the front, and that can be helpful for storing any additional types of papers, or if there's certain things that they cut out maybe for a project, they can store them right in there and keep everything right together. You will also receive a student handouts packet along with your video course. These are papers that the video teacher will refer to throughout various lessons. If you have a big enough binder, you can put them right in the back of the activity manual, or you can have a separate binder for these as well. One of the things that I've been doing for the past few years is any assessments or quizzes that my kids have in their video courses, I hole punch them and I put them right into the binder with their activity manual behind whatever chapter that it goes with. And that just helps to keep things right in line, so when it's time for them to take that test, it's already right there for them. One of the great things with video courses is once your student hits 5th grade, all of the tests and quizzes can be done right online through the Homeschool Hub. You can get paper copies of the tests if you choose. You can talk to your consultant about getting those. However, it's great for your student to be able to go right online and they can take the tests and quizzes right there. They are graded online, but you also have the ability to go in and recheck those and read any essays that you would need to grade as well for that. If you do have students that are in 4th grade or below, that means that they will be taking paper tests. What I have done is I've taken a 2-inch 3-ring binder and I have put all of my test keys right in here. I have tabs that tell me what subject and grade that it goes with, so I can just go to that and I can grade their tests very easily, and everything is right in one place. Let's talk about math manipulatives. So in every grade from kindergarten through grade 4, with a video course kit, your student will receive a set of math manipulatives. These are used throughout the course by the teacher and your student to help them with various concepts. My favorite way to organize our math manipulatives is I got this tackle box. It has many different compartments. It's one level. And I'm able to keep all of our manipulatives right in one box. I have them separated out by shapes and different circles and the different items. We have some seals here. There's money, coins, and different flashcards for times tables. So there's all kinds of different compartments in here. It's great to keep everything together. It snaps shut, so I don't have to worry about anything falling out. It's portable if you're traveling, so this is a great idea for keeping all of your manipulatives in one place. There are many different ways that you can organize your curriculum, and it may take you a few tries to figure out what you like best. You may decide that you like a certain way for one subject and something different for another, and that's fine. Use what works best for your family. A parting piece of advice that I have is don't wait until the last minute to organize everything. I know it's summer and we all love to go out and enjoy the summer, which is fantastic, but set a reminder on your phone, put something in the calendar, so at least a couple weeks ahead of time, you can really take some time to just sit down, spread everything out, and get yourself organized so you're not rushing around the night before you want to start school. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel more prepared as you get ready to head into the new school year, and I hope that this is helpful to you as you organize your curriculum. You're going to do great. Use this list as you prepare and organize your video course materials.